First, open the Phone app on your Android phone. Then tap Contacts. To demonstrate this method, I will first delete a contact from my phone. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Recycle Bin. Here, you will see the contacts that you have recently deleted. Deleted contacts are kept in the trash for up to 30 days. Select the contact that you want to restore. Then tap Restore. The deleted contact will now be restored to your contacts list. That's it. This is how you can restore deleted contacts on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.